Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find this particular section. I will use users and accounts, but as you can see here we've got a Google section, so obviously you can enter here and add your Google account using this section, but I personally like users and accounts, so let's tap on it. And here we have to add account just by tapping on this option, so let's tap on it. Here we have to choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, just tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it in order to check all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut for backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Right now I would like to show you how to remove it, so all you have to do from this level, obviously because you can do it using the Google section, but again I will do it using users and accounts. So all you have to do in order to remove it is simply tap on it, tap on this to-dos icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.